My personal story with my family breaking up,
Mm-hmm.
that kind of foundation
Yeah.
I never had. And so there was always this sense of being on the outside
Yeah.
and trying to find something. And
Yeah.
that's what they're experiencing the whole movie. I look at it differently because I don't feel like they're good like pieces of life. I've like Willie and Eddie in the room sitting there and he's just drinking a beer. They are lonely.
Yeah.
They are
Yeah.
not
It's a heavy moment.
They
Yeah.
are not connected. They're not connected to themselves. They're not connected to each other. And they're not connected to the reality around them.
Yeah.
And that is an experience that I brought with me for so long and trying to break out of that into some form of union. That overall expression, I like movies like that because
Yeah.
that enabled me to kind of connect to my emotions.
Yeah.
I was able to connect with something in these stories where I didn't get it so much from other people.
Yeah.
And so when films are like that, I kind of go to those kinds of stories.